Hello everyone. Today we will discuss food chains. Food chains in biological system they contain three types of the food chains. In biological system they contain three types of food chain. First one grazing food chain. Second one parasitic food chain. Third one detritus food chain. Grazing food chain, parasitic food chain, detritus food chain. First one grazing food chain. First one grazing food chain. So the grazing food chain is also called as predator food chain. Grazing food chain is also called as predator food chain. So the grazing food chain it is starting from the green plants. Green plant means producers. The grazing food chain is starting from the green plants. Green plant means producers. And in the grazing food chain there contain 3 trophic levels to 5 trophic levels. In grazing food chain there contain 3 trophic levels to 5 trophic levels. 5 trophic levels. So the first trophic level is occupied by the plants. Second trophic level occupied by the herbivores. Third trophic level occupied by the primary carnivores. Fourth trophic level occupied by the secondary carnivores. Fifth trophic level is occupied by the tertiary carnivores or climax carnivores. So they are the 5 trophic levels. So the examples of the grazing food chain. Examples of the grazing food chain. So the terrestrial ecosystem. So the ecosystems are the two types: terrestrial ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem. So the grazing food chain, terrestrial ecosystem examples. Terrestrial ecosystem example. First example. So they are the first example. First example, so they contain 5 trophic levels. First example contain 5 trophic levels. So the first trophic level, second trophic level, third trophic level, fourth trophic level and fifth trophic level. So in these trophic levels, first trophic level energy transfer from the second trophic level. Second trophic level to energy transfer from the third trophic level. Third trophic level to energy transfer from the fourth trophic levels. Fourth trophic levels to energy transfer from the fifth trophic levels. So this energy from the energy transfer means, so rose bush. So they are the rose bush. So this rose bush eaten by the ampids. The rose bush eaten by the ampids. So these ampids eaten by the spiders. The ampids eaten by the spiders. The spiders eaten by the small birds. The spiders eaten by the small birds. The small birds eaten by the hawk. The small birds eaten by the hawks. Means, so these rose bush eating amphibians. These amphibians eating the rose bush. So these energy transfer from these trophic level. So these trophic level to these trophic level. So they are the chain like transfer. The energy chain like transfer. So they are called as food chain. First example, rose bush eaten by ampids. Ampids eaten by the spiders. Ampids eaten by spiders. The spiders eaten by the small birds. Spiders eaten by small birds. The small birds eaten by the hawk. Small birds eaten by the hawk. Next, second example. Second example. So grass. Grass eaten by grasshopper. Grass eaten by the grasshopper. Grasshopper eaten by the frog. Grasshopper eaten by frog. Frog eaten by snake. Frog eaten by snake. Snake eaten by hawk. Snake eaten by hawk. So these are the energy transfer from the lower trophic level to higher trophic level. First trophic level to fifth trophic level. So the second example contains 5 trophic levels. And third example, so they are the plants. The plants eaten by caterpillars. Plants eaten by the caterpillar. So the caterpillar eaten by lizard. Caterpillar eaten by lizard. Lizard eaten by the snake. Lizard eaten by snake. So in this third example only 4 trophic level. Third example only 4 trophic levels. Next fourth example, grass. Grass eaten by grasshopper. Grass eaten by grasshopper. Grasshopper eaten by frog. Grasshopper eaten by frog. Frog eaten by the eagle. Frog eaten by the eagle. So in this trophic level only 4 trophic levels. Next example, grass. Grass eaten by the antelope. Grass eaten by the antelope. Antelope eaten by the lion. Antelope eaten by the lion. Next one, grass. Grass eaten by the goat. Goat eaten by man. So they are only 3 trophic levels. First trophic level, second trophic level, third trophic level. Food chain means the energy transfer from the first trophic level to second trophic level, second trophic level to third trophic level, third trophic level to fourth trophic level, fourth to fifth trophic level. So, they are the energy transfer from the grazing food chain in the terrestrial ecosystem. Next, example of the aquatic ecosystem, GFC, grazing food chain in aquatic ecosystem, aquatic ecosystem, aquatic ecosystem, grazing food chain in aquatic ecosystem. So, in this aquatic ecosystem, the first trophic level, so the first trophic level they contain a phytoplanktons, phytoplanktons. The phytoplanktons eaten by the second trophic level zooplanktons, zooplanktons. So, the zooplanktons eaten by the third trophic level. So, this third trophic level fishes, fishes. So, the fishes eaten by the aquatic birds, aquatic birds, aquatic birds. So, they are the four trophic level, first trophic level, second trophic level, third trophic level and fourth trophic level, fourth trophic levels. So, the first trophic level they are the phytoplanktons, first trophic levels are the phytoplanktons. The phytoplanktons eaten by the zooplanktons, phytoplanktons eaten by zooplanktons, the zooplanktons eaten by fishes, the fishes eaten by the aquatic birds. So, this energy transfer from the lower trophic level to higher trophic level. So, they are the example of the aquatic ecosystem in a grazing food chain in aquatic ecosystem, terrestrial ecosystem example and aquatic ecosystem. So, they are totally grazing food chain. Next one, parasitic food chain, next one parasitic food chain. Next, second one parasitic food one, second one parasitic food chain. So, the parasitic food chain is a part of the grazing food chain, parasitic food chain is a part of the grazing food chain. Parasitic food chain is a part of grazing food chain, part of grazing food chain. The parasitic food chain is a part of the grazing food chain. Next one, it is starting from the producers, it is starting from the food chain, starting from the plants. The parasitic food chain starts from the plants or producers. So, in this parasitic food chain, energy transfer from the in this food chain, energy transfer so the large organisms to small organisms, transfer large organisms to small organisms. The energy is transferred from the large organisms to small organisms, energy transferred from the large organisms to small organisms. So, the example, so the example of the parasitic food chain, the example, a large tree, to birds to ecto and endoparasite, endoparasites, endoparasites. So, these are the first trophic level, these are the second trophic level, these are the third trophic level, first trophic level, second trophic level, third trophic level. So, the parasitic food chain is a part of the grazing food chain. Parasitic food chain is a part of the grazing food chain. So, in this parasitic food chain is starting from the producers. So, first trophic level contain a large tree. Second trophic level contain a buds. Third trophic level contain ecto and endoparasites. So, the ecto and endoparasite means, first of all, large tree, a single large tree. So, the large tree, they are present in the buds. So, the buds contain ecto and endoparasites. So, these are the parasitic food chain. So, this ecto and this, unlike the predator food chain, the path of flow of energy include the fewer large sized organisms to small sized organisms. The energy transfer from the large sized organisms to small sized organisms. Plant size, so like big like plant, big structure, a large structure. Bird structure, this medium like structure. Like the ecto and endoparasites. Parasite means small like structure, like lies on the birds. So, they are the small structure, just a rough diagram. So, they are the large tree. So, large tree to birds. Next, birds to the small particles, ecto and endoparasites. Like they are the large sized organisms to energy transfer from the small sized organisms. Large sized organisms to energy transfer from the small sized organisms. So, they are called as predator food chain. Large tree, birds, ecto and endoparasites. So, they are the predator food chain. Next one, third one, detritus food chain. Detritus food chain. So, the detritus food chain, so they are the begins with the dead organic matter. The detritus food chain begins with dead organisms like leaf litter, dead organisms like leaf litter and dead animals. Leaf litter and dead animals. So, detritus example. So, they are the detritus example. So, they are the detritus are the decomposers they are starting from the decomposers. So, the detritus food chain contain a decomposers. The decomposers are the heterotrophs. So, these heterotrophs example fungi and bacteria. Example fungi and bacteria. Example fungi and bacteria. So, in this detritus food chain, dead animals like leaf litter. Example leaf litter. So, the leaf litter eaten by the earthworm. So, the leaf litter eaten by the earthworm. Next one, so the earthworm eaten by the Earthworm eaten by the frogs. Earthworm eaten by the frogs. Earthworm eaten by the frogs. Next one, the frogs eaten by the snakes. Frog eaten by the snakes. Frogs eaten by the snakes. First one, leaf litter. So the leaf litter means plants. The plants waste materials. So they are eating from the earthworm. So the earthworms eaten by the frogs. Frogs eaten by snakes. So these energy from the leaf litter to earthworm, earthworm to frogs, frogs to snakes. So they are the first trophic level, second trophic level, third trophic level and fourth trophic level. Next another animal, another example, dead animals. Another example, dead animals. Dead animals. So the dead animals to eaten by the dead flies and mangoes. Eaten by the flies and mangoes. Flies and mangoes. These flies and mangoes eaten by the frogs. Frogs eaten by the snakes. Frogs eaten by the snakes. Frogs eaten by the snakes. So they are the examples of the detritus food chain. Examples of the detritus food chain. First one, dead animals. The dead animals eaten by the flies. Flies means a small insect like. So the dead animals, flies and mangoes. So mangoes eaten by the frogs. Frogs eaten by the snakes. You see the just example, dog. Roadside dog is die. After 3-4 days, the small like insects, the dogs. So they are called as flies and mangoes. These are eaten by the frogs. Frogs eaten by the snakes. So they are the detritus food chain. So the detritus food chain means the dead particles, the energy transfer from the one trophic level to another trophic level. So this detritus food chain is very important because of, so this energy transferring the any food chain, any trophic level, finally ending from the detritus. So dead animal is dying, that energy, dead animals to detritus to plants to next trophic level. So their energy, they are transferring from the cycle like, chain like. So they are the 3 food chain: grazing food chain, parasitic food chain and detritus food chain. Grazing food chain, parasitic food chain and detritus food chain. Next one, food web. 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 So in this grazing food chain, one trophic level eaten by the second trophic level. For example, grass eaten by the grasshopper eaten by the frog eaten by the snake. So they are the liner like transferring from the energy. So in ecosystem, so they are liner like the not simple like process. So these food web means these are the web like formation, web net like formation. So they are called as food web. Just example, for example, plants. The plant eaten by, they are eating the rat eating, crowbird eating and grasshopper eating. So the in food chain only grass eaten by the grasshopper eaten by the frog, but this grass eaten by the grasshopper, rat and cowbird. Next one, so this grasshopper eaten by the only frog in grazing food chain, but this grasshopper eating by the lizards and grasshopper eaten by the snakes and plants eaten by the goat, the crowbird eaten by the snake, the snake eaten by the hawk. Next one, so the rat eaten by the lion, so the rat eaten by the lizard eaten by the hawk, frog eaten by the hawk. Next one, so they are the lizard eaten by the frog. So they are like various. So the do not chain like process, these are the net like. So these like process is called as food web. This like process is called as food web. Chain like means grasshopper, frog. So they are the food chain, they are a chain like process. but these are the net like process. So frog, so they are the net like process, means so they are the food web, food chain and food web. So they are the food chain. 8 marks, very important question.